What geostrategic forces are shaping global financial decisions in South Asia? Who backed Pakistan at the IMF, and why did India choose to abstain instead of opposing? The International Monetary Fund's approval of a $1 billion disbursement to Pakistan amid India's vocal concerns over terror financing raises crucial questions about global priorities, strategic alignment, and regional stability. How did the IMF justify its decision? The IMF's executive board, which includes 25 directors representing individual or group member countries, approved the disbursement as part of a broader $3 billion standby arrangement for Pakistan. Voting power is weighed based on a country's economic size and giving influence to key players like the US, UK, China, and the European Union. Though India raised red flags about Pakistan's track record of terror sponsorship and possible misuse of funds, it chose to abstain, a technically neutral stance due to IMF rules that don't allow a formal no vote. What strategic considerations influence the IMF vote? Economic stability in South Asia. Stability in South Asia is a top priority for the IMF. An economic collapse in Pakistan could result in civil unrest, mass migration, and a power vacuum that global powers are keen to avoid. Counterbalancing China's influence. Pakistan's deepening ties with China through projects like CPEC may have pushed Western powers to keep Islamabad within their orbit by offering financial support, preventing a state collapse. With Pakistan playing a key role in the Afghanistan region and in Islamic world diplomacy, the fear of nuclear instability or institutional breakdown may have tipped the decision in favor of aid. Why did India take the middle path? India's abstention rather than direct opposition reveals a strategic tightrope walk. While staying true to its security concerns, India avoided open conflict with powerful IMF members like the US and EU who supported the aid package. This approach may also reflect India's long-term aim to maintain its rising diplomatic stature without alienating global partners. What does this mean for India-Pakistan relations and IMF credibility? This decision underscores the tension between economic diplomacy and global security concerns. For India, it reflects the limitations of influence in multilateral institutions even as it strengthens its economic clout globally. For the IMF, the move highlights the inherent contradictions in balancing financial stabilization with accountability, especially when allegations of state-sponsored terror are involved.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.